Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes on iPhone iOS 26. So for example, if you try to download and install or updates on your App Store, and if you try to update any app on your iPhone and you see this kind of error is showing in your App Store, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that your mobile data connection is also working. Then you can also restart your Wi-Fi router. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply close the page. And after that, you have to go to settings. And here you have to go to general. And after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to uh, open the App Store and you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. And you have to make sure that after checking for the update of any kind of app, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply try to change the country or region on your App Store. So you have to click on that profile section, and after that you have to look for the option and you have to click on name or Apple ID here. And after that, you have to click on again Apple ID, and after that, you have to look for purchase history and any pending payments. And if you have any pending payments and you have not paid the subscription of any app, then you have to clear all the subscription. And after that, you will be able to get all the App Store updates. So this way you can simply solve the problem. So hope you have liked this video, and get more videos like this you can subscribe our channel.